Hey everyone, it's Prime with Iron Octopus Fitness, and I am welcoming you to the Cephalopod Squad. If you're signing up for the preseason prep challenge, then you're going to need to know exactly what you're getting into in terms of the training program, the app, and the group, and that's what this video is all about. So first things first, the training program is delivered to you through an app called Trainerize, which you can access through your computer, which is what I'm showing here, or also through an app on your phone, because it's 2018 and everything has an app now. So when you log into the app or when you log in online, you're going to see your training programs, and your training program for the preseason prep challenge is going to have a summary that basically walks you through what we're aiming for with the preseason prep challenge. So in this case, cardio endurance, muscular endurance, strength, and kind of shaking off the rust from the off season. It's also going to give you some ideas of how to fit the preseason prep training program into your practice schedule. So if you practice minimally, there's a suggestion for that. If you practice 1 to 2 times per week, there's a suggestion for that. And if you practice 3 to 4 times a week or more, there's a suggestion for that as well. Because we all have different schedules and we all have different things going on, and the way that we train needs to change accordingly. The training program itself has 5 training days attached, including a warm-up and a couple of mobility things that we'll use at the very end of the challenge. So we have an exercise called Butts, 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 which focuses on, guess what? An exercise called Reach for the Sky, Bend and Snap, Row Your Boat, and Pressing Matter. Those are the 5 training days, and we'll fit those into your schedule based on how much time you practice, how much energy you have, and exactly what your goals are. The way that you're going to find out how to fit that into your schedule is by asking questions in the group. So the other part of the Cephalopod Squad is that you get access to a Facebook group. And within the Facebook group, there is going to be a lot of discussion about exactly how to make your preseason work for you so that you don't burn out, you don't get fatigued, you definitely see improvement, and you end your preseason prep challenge feeling like you did at the end of last season, except probably without all of the aches and pains. So the Facebook group has lots of stuff to get you oriented. There's lots of ways to ask questions. There's lots of ways to interact, and we'll talk a lot about ways to set your season up for success as you're doing the preseason prep challenge. So we've all seen a Facebook page, but this is what it looks like. And that is basically what you get access to in the group. Once the program starts and we're inside the group, there will be a lot more detail on how to make all this stuff happen. But if you're ready to start doing your preseason training, which is necessarily very intense, then this is the challenge for you. I'll see you in the group.